Day 37 in the wilderness. We got fire. We got a big fire.
Huge.
They're watching.
4,700.
The bees.
Oh.
Oh.
It's boring.
All right, we should park.
We're out here. Who's gonna eat it?
Holy fuck, it's a wolf. Holy shit. Yo, be cool, be cool, be cool, be cool, be cool, be cool, be cool. Don't move, don't move.
Be cool. Be gentle. Hey.
Hey, wolf. Hey.
It's okay.
Oh, shit, oh shit, oh shit. Run.
Oh, I hear
Keep going, keep going. A few more, a few more.
A fly or a bee or something?
The bees?
Fuck
They're
that.
back.
Fuck.
Fucking
Fuck
bees.
that.
They're
What?
back.
Dude, it is. Look at it.
Oh shit, it's actually back. Oh fuck, oh shit.
Okay, all right.
The wolf's back. The fucking wolf.
Easy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Can't believe this. Oh my god. You fucking touched it, bro.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh shit. Be cool, be cool, be cool. Oh. It's making noises. It's making noises.
Ready for this shit. Time to conquer the bees.
I'm trapping him. You're not going for the other one?
Separate mission.
You see any action?
No action.
It's good.
One down. One to go.
Success.
These don't want none of this shit. These ain't.
Okay, we're here. It's pouring. The bees got us.
Mom,
they got us.
Mom.
They got us. They got Cole and I. We were rushing away, and
Mom.
they just got us. My ankle
bullying
is
me.
swollen. He's there's bites all over. We don't know what to do.
My fucking
I'm
hand,
feeling
man. My fucking hand.
Tired and delusional.
Cole got
Zach's
bit on
going
his dick.
crazy.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We've tamed a beast.
We tamed a beast. We finally crossed the barrier from foe to
We've
friend.
entered the wilderness.
So
Made
nice.
friends
To
with the
true
beast.
man.
He even talks, and he told us that he's gonna protect us and save us from anything bad.
The bees.
The bees. He's gonna protect us from the bees. Right, Kobe? It's been 47 days since I last videoed. A lot has changed. We're almost out of raw hot dogs. I've befriended the wolf, as you can see.
He hunts for us.
Yes, his name is Kobe. He hunts. He's been finding us small deer, moose, buffalo.
Man on a buffalo.
We've kind of hit our stride here, I feel like. Yee yee! So yeah, we met some natives. We're really feeling at home. The fire is still going. I'll show you guys that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But life in the woods is great.
Yeah.
I mean,
we're surviving.
we're doing a lot better.
The lake water tastes great.
Lake water tastes great.
After you
Fuck a Brita. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah.
pop a Brita.
haven't seen the bees in a while.
They're still watching.
Whoa, did you hear that? That was a bee. That was a bee. That was a bee. All right, see you later, bud. Kobe, come here. Come here, Kobe. Oh, good boy. Good boy. We've earned his trust. We've definitely earned his trust now. Would you say we've earned his trust?
For sure.
Okay.
A wee moe, a wee moe, a wee moe, a wee moe.
That shit echoed.
Dude, you could probably hear that for miles.
He's aggravated. Man and beast. The bees. The bees. The bees are back.
Cocoon.
The bees are back. Cocoon. I can't cocoon. It's fucked. It's fucked.
He's not gonna get laid ever again.
No.
The water has leeches in it, but we still drink it.
It's the bees.
Stop. He's fucking around. That's not funny to joke about.
Yo, that wasn't me. You think I would mess with you? Hey, look at me, look at me, Shannon.
A wee moe, 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 a wee moe.
Go 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. Stop and hit the bone like Cheech and Chong. Sell tapes from here to Hong Kong. Oh, roll my joint. Back out the seeds of stems. Got the highest hill running through Palmdale. Skating on their rims. Was I holding that? Was I?
Do you believe in love after love? I can feel the tears.
Do you believe? Brace yourself, I'll take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen.
I'm wanted! Wanted! Dead or alive.
I love eating worms and raw hot dogs.
Right,
and you
right,
guys,
it's great.
It's whatever. It's whatever, but
We've adapted. We've adapted at this point. It's evolution. It's
rotisserie
evolution.
Yeah, we've
chicken.
adapted. I'm gonna eat you.
Rotisserie chicken.
rotisserie chicken.
I'm gonna fucking
The
eat
aisles were so.
You just have to
fruitful.
imagine it, Shannon.
Yeah, just imagine.
I'll just-
Imagine your
I'm
raw
literally
hot dog
I'll
as a
just-
I'm gonna
rotisserie
take
chicken.
you over that fire and eat you
Similar
guys
to
because I am
chicken.
so fucking hungry.
Jewel pods, dude.
Ooh.
Go.
We
It's
grew
day.
our
It's
own
day
tobacco.
92. It's day 92. You have to. There's no jewel pods. This is the fucking wilderness. We have a wolf.
Yeah, I got a fucking
It's
wolf.
whatever. We gotta do what we fucking
We have to.
gotta
We gotta
do.
survive. We have got.
There's like this.
Don't tell him.
There's
that.
like this.
Stop.
You
Don't
fuck-
tell him
he ate it.
that.
Oh baby, you got what I need. But you say he's just a friend. But you say he's just a friend. Oh baby, you. But you say he's just a friend. But you say he's just a friend. Oh, baby, you got what I... Day. I'm going fucking crazy. I'm going fucking crazy. It's day 86. I haven't lost my mind yet. Day 85. I'm still here, making it work. Still haven't shaved. Oddly enough, it still looks alright. But I'm getting kind of lonely. The others, the bees got them. So, oh well. Kind of annoying anyway. Hey, Kobe, come here, Kobe, come here. See, I still got my bud. I still got the wolf. Hey, what's up? Hey, man. Say hi, say hi. So yeah, just us against the world right now. All right.